Today we are working with AliPearl, you guys. Okay, 100% unprocessed hair. These are all the items that I received with my wig. I got some lashes, a wig band, a comb, edge brush. You guys know it's really the same stuff that we always get. They always send so many goodies. So thank you so much to AliPearl for sponsoring today's video. Today they sent me a 13x4 frontal wig. As you guys see, it's in a dark copper number 35, like a gorgeous fall time color. And this wig does come with a band. I did take the band off, but that's for, you know, my girls that want that extra security. I'm going in with my ball cap method. As you guys know, you guys have seen me do this ball cap method thousands of times, so I really don't have to explain it. I did go in with the HD ball cap, and I am going to go in and put some foundation on my ball cap, and then we will hop straight into the video. This wig did come pre-curled, you guys. It is a body wave textured wig. Of course, the curls kind of dropped, you know, through shipping and me letting the wig sit and stuff. So I did go in and curl the right side, but the left side was still good, so I left it like that. But AliPearl is actually having a Christmas sale right now, you guys. They're having a buy one get one free, buy one get one free wig sale. I don't really know what's left, you guys. A lot of girls are buying them out, but you know, limited stock available. Y'all go ahead and use the link down below to check out AliPearl if you guys are interested in that. And they also have a sale right now, which is up to 50% off. So like I said, y'all go check them out if you need a wig for, you know, Valentine's Day, New Year's, whatever. And it's big head friendly. It's big head friendly. As y'all can see, the wig goes all the way to the bottom of my ear. So I did have to go in and cut the ear tabs off. But I'm just going in with one layer of glue, you guys, because I have a lot of wigs to install this week. So I'm probably going to wear this wig for about 2 to 3 days. But yeah, thank you so much to AliPearl for sponsoring today's video and sending me this unit. I did not get a lot of shedding. I do wish that I would have plucked the frontal beforehand, or I wish it would have came pre-plucked, but I mean, that's fine. But just make sure that y'all are plucking. I did not bleach the knots on this wig, y'all. I think the knots looked fine and the lace matched me perfectly. So yeah, I'll leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested with shopping with AliPearl. They have braided wigs, they have flash sales, they have 613 here, they got bundles if you want to do a quick weave. AliPearl literally has everything. So if I have a coupon code, I'll leave that down below as well. Just make sure y'all are checking the description box. But yeah, thank you again to AliPearl for sponsoring today's video. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to play my music and let y'all enjoy. Happy holidays to you and your family. I love you guys so much. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. So baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. So baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh.
like you was about to say something, you just broke a smile. Gave me the number and I said I'll dial. A year later, we on a block like Bow. Tell me something, is it me or we up to something? Love you, you're my friend and my
on 2 crutches, seen more plaques than 2 brushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fuck her like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing? For real. Who you hugging? Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? El Chico Luxury. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad I started up a league. Fuck with me, you niggas can't trouble me from the double tree. Step your sweets up. I get Oliver to set the beats up. 2021, I had to wet the streets up. Your girl was better in the morning like a slice of pizza. That's when I had to hit her with the nice to meet you. You niggas think you doing damage, you just hyping me up. Face who? I could see a wall of y'all, all of y'all, and run straight through. Trust is all fun and games until I wanna play too. Adios mio, the ice is frio on the Jesus. It's bringing me closer to God. I'm already close to the mob. I'm already known as the GOAT. Can try and get close, but you won't. I already packed the garage. None of these shits is a Dodge. None of this shit's a facade. None of this shit's a mirage. Thought I was seeing things when I was seeing green. 6 GOD, CMB. Yes, sir.
I don't know if what we have is love, but it's on my mind. We might slide on a nigga inside this club. Girl, close your eyes. 15 brothers, no friends, when I pull up for peace of mind. Lights come on, I'ma need you to come find me. No peace of mind.